Welcome back to MakeForms. In this video, we'll explore the Layout field and how it helps you design cleaner, well-structured forms. The Layout field lets you place two fields side by side in a single row. It's useful when you want to group related information and reduce vertical scrolling while keeping the form easy to read. Now open your form in the editor. From the Field panel, drag the Layout field and drop it into your form where you want a two-column layout. Once added, you'll see two empty columns inside the layout container. Before adding fields, note that some fields, such as the Likert scale, NPS, Calendly, and Matrix, cannot be placed inside a layout. These fields are designed to span the full width of the form and must be added outside the layout. You can now start adding supported fields by dragging and dropping them into the layout columns. For example, drag an email field into the left column. Next, drag and drop a phone number field into the right column to display both fields side by side. After placing the fields, you can rearrange or interchange them within the layout. Each field inside the layout behaves exactly the same way as it does outside the layout. You can mark fields as required, add helper text, or apply validations. On larger screens, the fields appear side by side. On smaller screens, such as mobile devices, the layout automatically stacks the fields vertically. That's how the Layout field works in MakeForms. Use it to create compact, organized forms that look great on all devices. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.